How to sign up to FireKirin Phishing online. It's a very simple process. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for FireKirin. In the search results, at the top, you can see the link with FireKirin website. Navigate to this website. You will see a website like this. Now, in order to play the game, here you can see Play Now option. Tap on it. It will take you to the game page. You will see the welcome screen like this. Now, in order to sign up for a new account, you can simply provide the account name and your password, or you can sign up as a guest. If you choose to sign up as a guest, you don't need to provide any account details. So you can see this guest option over here. You can simply tap on it. And there you go. Your account is successfully created in FireKirin Phishing online, and you are already logged into it. Now you can easily play this game. So that's a very easy process to sign up for FireKirin Phishing online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.